Good evening to another person here. I am Dr. K. Kannan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Cyber Security. Today we are discuss about in cognitive design pattern in UI UX. UI UX. Mm, First of all, we are discuss about in what is website and app development. Website and app development is one of the process of planning and designing and building and testing and maintaining for all the digital products for the web or mobile devices. So it is a main process is first we have planning and after that designing and building and testing and maintaining. It is a more important of this very well in SDLC in software development life cycle. Therefore, we have using in website and app development. So, there are some stages of development. First one is requirement analysis. The requirement analysis is nothing but is identify the users, goals, and constraints, and functional and non-functional requirements. And next one is the information architecture and design. That is called as content structures and navigation and layout. It is one of the best information architectures we have providing in structure format, and all the all the layout it will be a navigate, and UI UX design it is called as visual design and interaction design. That is the meaning of UI UX design. Next one is development. It is that is called as very well in front end and back end. The front end development, which means it is HTML and CSS and JavaScript and frameworks. There are front end development and back end development. That is meaning of databases and the server and application programming interfaces. They are using to development side. Next one is testing. It is one of the usability testing. It is called as performance testing, and deployment and maintenance. It is called as updates and fixes and scalability. They are called as deployment and maintenance. Next one is the information architecture of apps and websites. And information architecture is called as structural design. The information make a content and easy to find and understand and use. They are using to some key components in organization system. They are using to hierarchical, that is called as a tree structure, and flat, that is called as few levels we have inserted to the organization system, and sequential is called as step-by-step process. That is meaning of sequential. Next one is label system. It is called as clear and meaningful labels, and example of contact us and instead of reach out. It is a meaning of labeling system, and a navigation system, which means menus and breadcrumbs and tabs. That is called as navigation system, and the search system is search bars and filtering and sorting. That is called as search system. Next one is goal of information architecture is first of all is reduce the cognitive load is the main advantages, and improve the findability and support user tasks. That is the goal of information architecture. Then it is a conclusion of the architecture, which means make it using to some websites the both creative and strategic process, and which is user to need, and some technology and visualization communication is very important. And usually it is developing websites in a successfully design, not just about how something looks, because of lot of tools and effectively we have using to some user can interact with it, and it is a good design priorities like usability and accessibility and responsiveness and performance. The overall all the engaging for all the experience across the devices, so easily we can smooth and engaging for the experience, and this is one of the best website we have created. Some of the processes we have including such as we have using to some of the peoples who have development in websites. We have created and generated for the tools and accessibility is very most important, and it is a performance level because of hardware and software configuration is supported for the every website we have created, and smooth and engaging of experience across the devices, and how to easily user to interact it, and good design priorities like usability, accessibility, and responsiveness, and performance is ensuring for all the smooth engaging experience of across the device. This is one of the best reason we have using to the conclusion of developing the website. Thank you.